You're watching GearZ, brought to you by LMC Truck. Keep 'em on the road.
Hey, welcome to GearZ. You know, a while back we started a really cool project to recognize the upcoming 100th anniversary of Cornwell Tools and one of the most iconic aircraft of all time, the SR-71 Blackbird. And we're going to do it with a '59 Ford panel truck.
I always thought I wanted to change steering wheel. No.
Now, you're probably wondering how in the world we're going to tie those three seemingly unrelated things together. Well, we're going to do it by building the world's fastest tool delivery truck, the SR-71 Rapid Tool Express. So obviously, the first thing we did was pull it all apart and separate the body from the frame. Okay, with the chassis out of the way and the drivetrain being taken care of, today we're going to turn our attention to this cargo area and see what it's going to take to turn this into a real custom tool truck. Now, the best way to do that is to contact the guys at Summit Body Works and see how they actually build Cornwell tool trucks. Starting with an empty shell, they begin by laying out the floor pan and the shelving based on how the truck is going to be used. So, using the same approach, I walked them through what I had in mind for the interior and the cargo area of the SR-71.
Floor is going to be open, correct, with, you know, the wood and the strips and everything like that.
We have a standard that we start off with, and then we'll modify off of that. So if somebody needs any, everybody's clientele is a little bit different, so they've got different needs. We're a full custom shop, so we can do everything. So there's not a whole lot we cannot do.
For the custom tool trucks, we do what Chris was saying, red line drawings. Along the lines of architecture, we'll go with a base layout or blueprint of what the truck is going to look like, and we'll do red line drawings over existing, you know, blueprints, and we'll define the design by hitting the options for, let's say, or the desirables that the customer would like.
The next step was to draw out a basic diagram of the interior layout so we could get an idea of what it was going to look like, how things were going to be situated, and how it would all work together with the rest of the truck. Now, this is important to make sure everything works together stylistically.
In the very beginning, honestly, it's almost just idea vomit. You put down everything you can, given the scope of the project, what details need to be illustrated. It's the easiest way to communicate, especially in our industry, on what's expected to be built. Or, you know, to give somebody a visual goes so much further. A picture's worth 1,000 words.
Yeah. Now, once you have the design you want, the next step is for Summit to build the components, and then we'll put them in the truck. Now, this is the way all service trucks are built. Food trucks, fire trucks, tool trucks, you name it. They aren't just randomly thrown together, because after all, are you going to buy tools from a truck that looks like junk and is always breaking down? Or from one that's clean, organized, and always shows up? Yeah, it's a simple concept of quality that has served Cornwell for 100 years, and that will never go out of style.
I'm excited. This is a very unique opportunity, and it's one that I really want to show off. I want to show excellence. I want to show excellence. I want to show delivery when it comes to what we do specifically and the quality of craft that we can execute on. I'm excited for the opportunity of a showpiece like this.